This young Colonial is now for sale in Rockaway Township. It is nestled in the desirable Birchwood neighborhood on a rare quiet, dead-end street. Welcome to this lovely home, with gleaming hardwood floors throughout. The open floor plan concept is great for entertaining. The formal dining room features a whole wall of windows and is open to the kitchen. The kitchen is spacious and recently updated. A central island, also connected to the sun-filled dining room, is the perfect heart of the home. Stainless appliances and granite countertops grace the space. Cabinetry in rich wood tones provide plenty of storage. A convenient wine and beverage fridge adds to the functionality. A built-in desk and pantry make maximum use of the space, while a gorgeous wide door leads out to the deck. The flow continues into the cozy family room, featuring a wonderful brick fireplace. A few steps further is the spacious formal living room. It showcases the same wide windows and natural light. A convenient half bath is steps away. A spacious laundry room completes the first floor perfection. Upstairs, a lovely master suite is just filled with natural light. The updated master bath is luxurious, with beautiful tile work and a massive shower. The second bedroom has wide windows and plenty of space. The third bedroom is the same and features the same neutral wall-to-wall carpeting seen throughout the second floor. Another large bedroom provides lots of bonus space. The full bath is crisp and clean with a great window for natural light. The basement is finished with a high drywall ceiling and recessed lighting, making a great recreational space. A half bath and lots of storage options round out the basement. Step outside to this gorgeous pool. The in-ground pool is a lovely shape, with a diving board and patio surround. The beautiful composite deck is virtually maintenance-free. Enjoy this backyard oasis, surrounded by mature trees and landscaping.